Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this Smokey eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get started. So I'm starting off by priming my eyes. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade medium. So I'm just gonna apply it and blend it with a blending brush by BH Cosmetics. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Rustic Rose palette. This is one of my favorite palettes for the fall season. I'm starting off with this yellow shade and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid. I'm not going to go up too high into my crease. I'm mainly going to focus it just on my lid. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in patting motions and just really packing on the shade, and with the same brush I'm going to be blending it out a little bit towards the outer corner of my eye. So now just to really blend everything out, I'm going to go in with this Sonia Kashuk blending brush and just blend out the edges. I'm using this e.l.f. brow cream in the shade Espresso, and this is going to be kind of like a base for my smoky eyeliner. So I'm just going to be drawing a dramatic wing. Now I'm going in with this cranberry shade and I'm using a pencil brush. So I'm just going to pick up the shade and pack it right on top of the eyeliner. This is going to help set the eyeliner, and then we're going to be blending everything out. Now using the same pencil brush, I'm just going to start blending everything out. And now this is going to kind of mix in the eyeliner with the cranberry shade and the yellow shade, but I am going to pick up another blending brush and just blend everything out. If you need to go back and reapply the shade, definitely do that. I did go back a few times and applied it just so that it was as intense as I wanted it to be. So yeah, and then I'm going to go in with this fluffy blending brush that I used at the beginning for the yellow shade, and I'm just going to blend everything out. Now I'm just going back and applying a little bit more of the brow cream in the shade Espresso, and I'm applying it really close to my lashes and also to the outer part of my eyeliner. And this is going to help blend in the falsies with my natural lashes as well. Using a makeup remover wipe, I'm just going to clean up my eyeliner. As you guys can see, it made it so sharp. I absolutely love it. And also clean up any fallouts from the eyeshadows I had under my eyes. The next shade I'll be picking up is this shimmery gold shade. I did spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. Then I'm applying it on my brow bone. For lashes, I'm using these Lash Kitty lashes in the style Havana. These are kind of natural looking lashes, but I think they go perfectly with the look. Now for my waterline, I'm applying this Italia Deluxe Cosmetics. This is a lip liner in the shade Deep Purple. And for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with this purple shade, then the yellow shade. I'm applying the purple shade first with a pencil brush, so I'm just blending it out. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the yellow and apply it on top of the purple and just blend those shades together. Now for my inner corner, I'm applying the shimmery shade again. I think that completes the whole look. Then I just applied a little bit of mascara, and that's it. That completes this fall inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.